In this video, what we will do is we will understand how we can display another team's files folder inside another team's channel and inside files tab, or display external drives, Google Drives data in the Microsoft Teams channel. So for that, what I will do is I will go to Microsoft Teams and click on this Delta test. From here, I will click on the Central tab and then into the Post Files tab. As you can see here, I have so many different files, and in this test123 folder, I have one.png file. So the next thing what I wanted to do is I want to display this my set document and all of these folders inside this my test1 general channel. So what I will do is first of all, I will go and copy link, go here and click on this copy this generated link, and then I will go into this test1 general tab, and then I will move to the files tab, and in here inside this files tab I will click on these three ellipses, and then I will click on this add cloud storage. From here we can add different type of sources, cloud storage sources, to this tab, like files tab. For now I am selecting the SharePoint. Okay, and currently I am selecting a use a SharePoint site, or I can select this delta test directly. But and if I click next, it will show me all the folders which are available. But instead of doing this, let me just go and try with the use a SharePoint site, a SharePoint link option. Just paste the URL which we have and click go. So it will load the delta test SharePoint site. It will display all the available folders, and the folder what I wanted to select is the my site document. Select it and then click next, then add folder. So as you can see, the delta test my set document is available inside this test one. When I click onto that, it will navigate me to the different subfolders where I can see that test folder, right? So if I go into the general, I see all the three test 1 to 3 folder and all my files which are available in that general tab. If I want to display this like copy link, I can do that. And let me just go to the general files and try to add the cloud store one more time and use a SharePoint link and post it and click go. Yeah, next. Yeah, the specific folder is not available in that case. I can select this my set document, right, and add folder, but that link is already been added, has been added, so it is not added again. Let's try it in this benefits issue general channel. Let me just go into the files, click on add cloud storage, SharePoint link, right? Okay, let me try with the different data source than SharePoint. Let me just go with this the SharePoint link. Let me select any one of them. Let's say I will select this test one, and I will select this document folder in that. Click next, then click add folder. So as you can see, the test one channel and its documents folder is available, and I can delete it from here. If I navigate into that, I can see the channel folders and any other site library folders from there. The next thing what I wanted to show is if I go into this benefits, issues, and then general channel, and then in files. And if I go and try to add that same thing, like I can see that page one display document and the general channel and the other available values into that particular folder. Okay. So the next thing what I wanted to show to you is how we can use any other source other than SharePoint itself. To do that, what we will do is we will go into the one of the channels. Let's say we will go inside, the Microsoft, sorry, Google Drive, and then we will try to authenticate with our credentials. For example, I am logging with my Google Gmail or Google account credentials in here. It will ask me to choose an account. Let me just choose suppose Davi. It will take some time to add that account. And validate that. Let me just try to hit refresh. Yeah, it will ask for the permission. Just accept. And what it will do, it will go into my account and try to fetch all the Google Drive related documents. And what I will wanted to display here is what is available in this film art folder. Let me click on to that folder, and yeah, I can select that film art folder. It will ask me to add the folder, so I will click on add folder. So as you can see, that film art folder has also been added into this files tab, right? And I can go into this folder and I can see the files and open it. And even if I wanted to delete this particular file from this folder, I can open it, sorry, not delete, but open it into the Google Drive from here itself. Okay, so this is how external Google Drive or another channels files into the another channel. I hope you like this video, and if you really like my content, then please like, share or comment on the video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe my channel for the latest updates. Thank you so much for watching.